welcome back to my channel. Alright, so like we promised, we are here doing another challenge. We are going to do the whisper challenge. Yeah. And we're actually in a different setting this time. We're in my room. We're sitting on my bed right now. We just thought the scenery was better in here. Anywho, so basically the whisper challenge, I'm sure you guys have heard of it before, but it's basically where one person has earphones in, they're listening to music really loud, and then the other person is saying a phrase or saying a sentence, and the person that has the earphones on has to guess what the other person is saying.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go first. I'm going to be the one with the earphones on, and Diana is going to be telling me some
phrases. And she's going to have to guess.
Yeah. So I'm super excited. I think this challenge is going to be really fun and super funny. So yeah, stay tuned guys, and we hope that you guys like this video. So since we're in quarantine right now, excuse me, I'm eating Cheetos right now. Not Cheetos, but veggie chips with some Valentina. So good.
And then we have a mango margarita here.
I'm almost done with mine.
What's tajin? That's what it's called.
Mom. Okay, cheers. Okay, here we go.
Okay, ready? Let me find out.
Let me find out.
Wait, I didn't finish. I said it wrong. Let me find out, dude.
Let me find out, dude.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do a harder one. Take me to Miami.
Huh?
Could you hear me? Could you hear me?
Yo perro es sola.
No. Take me to Miami.
What's your name?
Take me to Miami. Take me to Miami.
What makes you happy?
Hold on. No. Take me to Miami.
Send me to Miami?
Almost. Oh. Take me to Miami.
Send?
No. Take me.
Send me?
Take me to Miami. I like want to scream, but I can't. Take me to Miami. Take me to Miami. Take me to Miami. Take me to Miami.
Let's go to Miami.
Done. That was close though. Take me to Miami.
Oh man, I said
that was
send
like halfway.
me.
You got one.
Okay.
Okay, another one?
Yeah.
Catch me outside, how about that?
Catch me outside, how about that?
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay, I need to do something harder. There's a snake in my boot.
Say it again.
There's a snake in my boot.
Hold on. It's on pause. Hold on.
Oh. There's a snake in my boot.
Say it again.
There is a snake in my boot.
There's a snake in my boot.
Yeah, good job.
I know my Toy Story.
Look at you. What that mouth do? What that mouth do?
Where's the bathroom?
What that mouth do? What that mouth do?
With?
What that mouth do?
Where's the bathroom?
No! Okay, ready? What that mouth do? Yeah. What that mouth do? Okay, ready? What that mouth do? One more try.
When?
What that mouth do? What
Went
that mouth do?
Went the
What that mouth do?
Without you.
What that mouth do? Okay, we're done. I've said that way too many times.
What was that?
What that mouth do?
Next.
Okay. One more or what?
Mhm.
Let's see. Pikachu, I choose you.
Bitch.
Pikachu, I choose
Oh,
you.
I heard that.
My mama trippin'.
Black Mamba.
My mama trippin'.
Mama catch you outside.
No. My mama trippin'.
Mama chupete.
No Spanish. My mama trippin'.
Mama.
My mama trippin'. My mama trippin'.
Is this by Drake?
No.
Hmm.
I think it's lyrics.
Say it again.
My mama trippin'. Yo, you said it.
No, I don't know what you're saying.
It sounded like you said it. It sounded like you
trying
said
to
it.
follow your mouth.
My mama trippin'. You got it. Wait, say it. My mama.
My mama.
Yeah, trippin'.
My mama tripping.
Yes. You got what?
That's
1, 2,
weird.
3?
Yeah, that weird.
Same.
I was like.
I'm like, you're saying it. You're like, no.
All right, you're next. Fine, go. Okay, here we go.
I'm scared.
You ready?
Wait, don't speak so loud. Don't speak so loud because I feel like I'm going to hear you.
Okay. Ness, come here, dude.
Okay, go.
I did.
It's weird. Go.
Ness, come here, dude.
Let's go out. Okay, go.
Necio, come here, dude.
Ness, come here, dude.
Yes!
Am I loud? I'm screaming, huh?
Yeah.
Yo,
Wow,
I can't hear
you
anything.
got that. Okay.
Adam Ray.
I know, seriously. Okay. Ready?
Oh.
Damn, girl, you fine.
Damn, girl, you fine.
What?
I don't want to scream.
This girl. Foot fetish.
Feel that fish?
Foot fetish.
I don't want to say it. Feel that fetish?
What?
It's not that.
You're close. You're
Fetish?
Yeah.
Oh.
Foot fetish.
Fur that fetish.
No. Foot fetish.
First fetish?
This girl got me messed up. Read my lips. Foot.
Okay.
Foot.
First.
Foot.
Foot fetish?
Yeah!
Foot fetish.
Foot fetish!
Oh!
It's in her. Okay.
I know.
Little Miss Pro over here. Okay.
Huh? Wait, what'd you say? Oh.
No. Okay. Strawberries.
Strawberries.
Okay, she got it.
You weak with these.
You're good.
I'm good.
That's it. Okay, ready? You love Jose Cuervo.
Quavo.
Oh, close.
Okay, go again.
You love Jose Cuervo.
You love Jose Cuervo. I low-key heard you.
Okay,
Hold
no,
on.
that
Let me
doesn't
change it.
count.
Let me change it.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard.
Oh, bring all the boys to the yard. What's it? Say it again.
My milkshake.
My milkshake, bring all the boys to the
Hey,
yard.
she got it!
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Do some harder.
Wow. Okay. She called it. You eat eggs.
You need eggs?
Bitch.
Yeah?
No. You eat eggs.
You eat eggs.
You eat eggs.
You his ex?
You eat eggs.
You need sex?
No! You eat eggs.
You eat eggs?
Yes! Yes. Okay, she's honestly... Okay. Yeah, let me pause this.
That's it?
Yeah. Okay,
That's fun.
honestly, this girl is just too good at this game. Clearly. She got all of the ones that I
Winner.
gave to her. So props to her.
Day.
Props to her. Muy bien, muy bien. So clearly she won. Cause yeah, you got all of them.
Yeah.
Literally all of them. High five, girlfriend. You
Either
did
you
great.
suck or
I just
I'm
suck.
amazing.
No, seriously, I suck at every game though. I lose at every
Yeah,
game. For
true.
real. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching our video on this whisper challenge. It was actually a lot of fun to do.
It was really fun.
Yeah, and especially during these quarantine days, I think you guys should definitely take the you guys should definitely take the challenge to do this with your families or just with your significant other even. It's super fun. So that's what I challenge
It's
y'all
hard.
to do.
I thought it was easy.
Yeah.
I like listening to music. That was my favorite part.
I know, seriously, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
But thank you guys again so much for tuning in and watching my YouTube video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for our next video. Thanks, guys. Peace out.